22 hours and 34 minutes until the end of time here, buddy.
We gotta get this app done. Hi, this is Joe. I'm with Team Skyboard, and I'm going to show you how to do decontamination for the CDC. This video, my shouts go out to Center for Disease Control and challenge.gov. Just doing a decontamination. Anti-blue light is ultraviolet. So what I can do here is just very simple decontamination. Some development time. Ultraviolet C radiation will kill the virus. Okay. There we go, folks. It's debugging the bottom of over here. There's a slight overlap. May not get fixed, but
CDCs. I'm just putting an app together. Check it out. My name is Lenn. So, come with me.
we gotta get this app done. This app in.